Hi everyone, today I'm gonna draw Geto Suguru and the reference is already on the top, and let's draw the structure drawn in the reference. First of all, use a compass to draw a circle like this. It can be of any size. And then mark the center, and you have to draw two center lines opposite to each other. One is gonna be horizontal and the other is gonna be vertical. And of course, both of them would cross each other at the center like this. Today I have nasal congestion, have a sore throat, nose is blocked, and I can't really speak clearly, but I'm trying because I think it was necessary to record audio today. If you look at the center line, it's split into two equal parts, and now I want you to split it into four equal parts like this. And now let's divide the lower bottom area of it into further four equal parts. And now make these marks into lines. And now after drawing all the lines, let's mark the chin at the same distance, just at the distance of top lines in the circle. And now it's time to draw a curved line on the left side of the circle. It's now actually center line for the face. Okay, if I were to be honest, I don't really like today's video. I messed up with both the structure and sketch. That's my opinion, of course, about my video, but don't forget to share yours in the comment section. I would love to read them. And right now I'm drawing the hairline like this. It's of course gonna help us draw the hair on the forehead. And don't forget to watch till the end, and if you like this tutorial, then don't forget to check out others too on my channel. Even this tutorial was not as good as the previous ones, but still, if you're new and you liked it, then I would love if you don't go without subscribing and keep coming back. And as you can see in the video, I just marked the location of every facial feature like this according to the structure and the reference, and it's of course gonna make everything easy. So let's lighten the structure and start drawing the actual sketch by hairline. I realized it after drawing the whole thing, but in my opinion, starting from the top isn't really a good idea. But it was still not that bad. I was able to save everything. And of course, if you follow the tutorial as it is, you're gonna make it too. And guys, here's a good news. I just got it last night at almost 12. We reached 6k subscribers, which is really not that small digit. It's a whole 6k, and I really want to thank you all for keep watching and subscribing. Our YouTube family is getting bigger day by day, and I promise that I would keep making better content every day to help you throughout your art career. Sometimes it feels so emotional to look back at my old videos and to see how I started this channel and how I'm going right now. Even a YouTube channel can hold memories. And sorry my voice, it feels like I'm crying, but I'm really not, because I'm not well today. And now let's focus on the tutorial, and I hope you will do it. Good luck and watch till the end, please. And now I want you to focus and analyze how I'm going to draw the jawline. First of all, as you can see, I'm drawing the chin, and let's see how I'm gonna complete it. It's done, and now it's time to draw the hair. In the structure, I drew the circle at a place from where it would be easy to draw both hair and the jawline. So actually, it's only the circle mostly that's helping us draw most of the things. Of course, it's not a good idea to draw facial features in the end. In my opinion, we should always draw facial features first. And so I'm sorry that I didn't did it in this video, but I promise that I'm gonna adopt the same method again in my next videos. It may not be noticeable, but the left eye and the nose from the bottom is not drawn right, and I'm just gonna correct them by removing. And I didn't did much but move the whole thing a little bit up. That's all. Only this thing was making difference. It was not at the right place, just by I guess 0.2 millimeter. And finally, time to draw the smile, which is like main crucial part of the sketch. Like it's only the smile that's gonna make whole expression of the face. So draw it carefully, right? Our sketch is finally complete, and now it's time to remove the unnecessary structural lines like this. And now I'm just gonna do the line art with the same pencil. I'm currently using 2B, by the way. You can use any. For context, 2B is a pencil that's a little bit darker than HB, which is the normal one. HB is the normal one, I mean. And of course, you and me won't mind if I do some shading too. It's only gonna make the sketch look good. So let's do some, and I don't do much shading in all of my videos because all of them are supposed to be beginner tutorial and I can't afford to make them look difficult, of course.
Just wanna understand everything that led us here. The teardrops when I hold your hand. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. Can we watch it?
Our little amount of shading is finally finished, and now I'm using a cotton earbud for a little bit blending, which is not needed really, but let's do it anyway. Finally, our tutorial is finished, and don't forget to tell me in the comment section how was it. Let's meet you in the next video. Bye! Love you!